Hi there, my name is Teresa Comeau and I'm with Remax Select Realty and we're located on Main Street in Vancouver, British Columbia. Welcome to Market Update for November 6, 2015. Now I just want to give you a little overview of what's going on in the Vancouver marketplace from my perspective and my experience with my buyers and sellers. Story of the day, it's still a very strong seller's market and inventory is very low. Now the beginning of the year started off strong. We saw an increase in demand due to the low interest rates and a low dollar. We had more foreign buyers from the US and from mainland China because of the low dollar. And this increased the demand in the marketplace. So we also saw inventory start to drop in the beginning of the year. Now, just to give you an idea, right now we have 9,500 units for sale in all of Vancouver. Now, generally a balanced market is about 11 to 13,000 units for sale, 14,000 units for sale. And in a slow market, like our last slow market in 2012, there was 19,000 units for sale. So our inventory is very low right now. Now, sales have been very good for detached homes, also new townhomes and condos that were priced well in good neighborhoods. Those were selling very well. The part of the market that was suffering a little bit in the beginning of the year was the market for condos in older buildings like 35 years, 40 years old in the Kitsilano, Fairview Slopes area. In those areas, we saw prices actually decrease. I think it might be because the depreciation reports that were coming out, that were showing the exact costs of what it cost to maintain these older buildings, as well as the restrictive bylaws that were on some of them that were restricting the number of buyers that would want to buy in that building, like rental bylaws and pet bylaws. And so the spring market was very strong, clipping along, and then summer came along, and normally what we see is a seasonal dip in inventory because sellers are going on vacation, spending time with their family because school's out, just doing things other than real estate. But we didn't see the demand decrease during this time, so the increased demand was eating up the existing inventory. And then the fall, we normally see an increase in inventory as people get back to work and school's back in, but we didn't see that this year. We saw the demand just continue to increase and eat up all the inventory that was out there. So right now we have more increase in pressure on prices. In fact, prices have increased 20% this year for detached properties and about 12% for attached properties like condos or townhomes. So now is a perfect time to sell those type of properties that are a little bit more challenging to sell. Maybe properties that have assessments coming on them, or maybe they're located on very busy streets. So because of the existing dynamic in the marketplace, these properties are easier to sell now than they have been in years. Now, there's multiple offers on many properties in the market, all the way from like $200,000 to like $5-6 million. There's multiple offers on those properties. So it's very busy out there. If you're thinking about selling one of those challenging type properties I was speaking of, now is an excellent time. So if you'd like any information about what your property is worth or timing on the market, I'd be happy to help you. My phone number is 604-240-1879, or you can send me a message. My website is teresacomeau.ca. And again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you next time.